So before we go into the details, let me first walk you through how today's story is structured. We will begin with iSLM, introduce what it is and its core value, how we turn simulation data into engineering intelligence. After that, I will go through the AI-driven workflow from insight and design discovery and to simulation exclusion with auto launch. And finally, I will introduce AI chat in iSLM, how you can use it to assess your company-owned data and turn it into reusable knowledge asset by natural language.